Hello! Hello, builder! Let's build some bricks!
Hi builder, we are back to KikoTown! I noticed that the works are going very slowly, so I thought about giving an update on the construction site. Maybe if I had some more machinery, things go faster. In this episode I will add 4 more sets to the construction site and hopefully the works will be done in no time. First of all, there will be a concrete mixer stock, Lego set number 5610. It is a small set with just 23 pieces and 1 minifigure, but I believe it will really help with the constructions. The second set of today is a mini digger, set number 7246, a set with 36 pieces and 1 minifigure that will definitely improve the speed of terraforming. And to move the breeze away, I will add set number 7631, which is a dump truck with 189 pieces and another minifigure. Last of all, to ensure that the workers have the right work conditions, I will provide them with a service truck, set number 60073. This set has 233 pieces and 2 minifigures. And let's hope this will make things faster around here. Let's build some bricks! The concrete mixer, a very small set that will give us no issues building it, and it will help the construction a lot. And we go right away to the next one, the mini digger. This will be very important to flatten the terrain. It is also a simple set that will give us no troubles assembling it. Next on our list is the dump truck. This set is a little bit more complex and it has some stickers. I will use the original stickers, and if you'd like to know how I do it, subscribe to my channel and do not miss my next video. It will be a live tutorial on stud.io, the software I use to build Lego. You can find more info on my Instagram. As you can see, I am using custom parts that I designed because they are not available in the master library, and to do it I used the sticker sheet that comes with the set. I really like this set. It's an articulated vehicle with big wheels and it is designed to handle big loads. And we have another force ready to help on our constructions. We can now move to the last build of today. It will be a service truck. It is super important to provide workers the best work conditions possible, so they will be more productive and things go faster. To have a toilet on site is essential. The minifigures though are not available in the master library. I could easily find some replacements, but regarding the torsos, I chose to keep it faithful to the set and I designed 2 torsos with the set prints. Once again, let me remind you that I will do a tutorial on how to do it in the next video. This set also has some stickers that I previously placed on the respective bricks, and I do now have them available in the custom parts library. This crane is, in my opinion, a really good detail from the LEGO designer. It is compact enough to fit the truck, but it also has plenty of range to be functional. This set is a big yes for me. I really enjoy the detail of the portable toilet. It even has toilet paper. And the truck itself also has a lot of tools, nice details, and the crane is just awesome. What do you builders think about this set? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it! The upgrade in the construction site is done. Let's hope the works go faster now on, since we have some extra heavy force, and let's see how this town will grow. And I'm waiting for your suggestions for my next build here, so leave them in the comments below, and if you liked the video, don't forget to press that like button, because it really helps me to keep this project alive. Let's build some bricks! See ya!